Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify MySQL user grants with show grants statement step by step clearly. To verify MySQL user grants using the show grants statement, first, ensure you have MySQL installed and running on your system. Open your terminal or command prompt. Log into your MySQL server using the command MySQL username p. Replace username with your actual MySQL username. When prompted, enter your MySQL password. Once logged in, to check grants for a specific user, type the command show grants for username and host. Replace username with the user's name and host with the user's host name. If you don't know the host, you can use % as a wildcard. Press the Enter key to execute the command. The MySQL server will return a list of privileges granted to the specified user. Review the output to understand the permissions assigned to the user. For example, it might show you if the user has select, insert, or update privileges. If you want to check grants for the current logged-in user, simply type show grants. Again, press Enter to execute. This will display the privileges for your current user session. You can also specify host from which the user is connecting, if needed. After reviewing the grants, you may decide to modify user permissions if necessary. To exit the MySQL prompt, type exit or quit and press Enter. You have now successfully verified MySQL user grants using the show grants statement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.